Hi, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Richlight Insider. Look at Bitcoin price 38,545. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 crypto stocks I'm buying in August. So, cryptocurrencies are coming back again. Bitcoin jumped. It hit 29,000, below 30,000 on Tuesday. So everybody was getting worried, but something happened. Is that only Bitcoin? No. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum also hit really low, 1700 on Tuesday, but it jumped back again. It's now 2300. How about Dogecoin? Similarly, Dogecoin also now 21 cents right now. So something must have happened during this time. Shiba Inu are not much different, even though it jumped the same. But I'm really looking at 0.0000 something 1. Not 50. I'm looking at 40. That's when I'm going to see really big bull market for cryptocurrency. So remember, Bitcoin, I really want to see it break above 42,000. It may jump to 40,000, 41,000, but it may come back again. So it happens several times. If it breaks out 42,000, then we are seeing another bull run. If that happens, I'm buying these 5 stocks. So what's the reason for the Bitcoin jump? It's because Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood. So Elon Musk said Tesla will resume taking payments in Bitcoin, assuming it's produced with higher percentage of renewable energies. Remember, the reason why the cryptocurrency went into bear market is because Elon Musk said Tesla not gonna accept Bitcoin until the Bitcoin miners mine with the renewable energy. So nothing has already changed. Nothing has changed, but because Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market is still very new. Bitcoin came out 12 years ago, so market caps are not as big as Apple or Amazon. Even Apple is 2.5 trillion market cap. The whole cryptocurrency market is less than 2 trillion. So just imagine. Of course, whatever Elon Musk said, that's gonna affect the price. But if cryptocurrency markets are getting bigger, I think we might probably Elon Musk may not be able to have so much impact on that. So the 3 things I own outside SpaceX and Tesla are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some Dogecoin. So like I said before, all the billionaires, if they are thinking about investing in cryptocurrency, where would they go? Bitcoin. Second one is Ethereum. So that's why Ethereum price also jumped too. Like I said, if you follow my channel for some time, I've always been bullish on Bitcoin and Ethereum. The other coins not so much because everything else will be so speculative, and a lot of the institutions and the billionaires are not comfortable investing in other coins, altcoins. So the Elon Musk was speaking online with Square CEO Jack Dorsey and Cathie Wood, and Elon Musk, I might pump, but I don't dump. That's what he said. But you know what? Nobody can stop him from selling Bitcoin, right? I don't believe we can do the high price high and selling. I would like to see Bitcoin succeed. Yeah, that may be true, and probably he might pump until 100,000, 200,000. You never know. I mean, honestly, my price target is 100,000. That hasn't changed. My previous price targets were like 40,000 and 60,000. Bitcoin hit all of those and broke out. 100,000, I'm still holding my price target. I have no reason to lower the price target. I believe Bitcoin is gonna be going to 100,000 because there's only so many Bitcoins. There are so many millionaires and billionaires. If they want to buy just one Bitcoin, there are only 21 million Bitcoins in circulation. So that's the price gonna jump a lot, in my opinion. And let's look at it. We want to do more due diligence to confirm the percentage of renewable energy usage, most likely above 50,000. So when would Tesla accept Bitcoin? In my opinion, according to article, so they are looking at above 50%. So if Bitcoin miners are able to mine the Bitcoin above 50%, then Tesla most likely gonna accept it. That's good news. It's not really hard to reach above 50,000, 50%. If it's 90%, 95%, it will be really, really hard to use renewable energy 100% or 90%, even at the 90%. So this is good news. Let it change. I've always believed that Tesla gonna accept the Bitcoin, because I've been adding Bitcoin before this. So let's see Bitcoin. That's good news. And what's the reason for Tesla holding Bitcoin? It's because on balance sheet is the interest rate are near zero worldwide and have gone negative in Europe. So interest rate are zero, even negative in Europe. What does it mean? So that means if you put your money in the bank in Europe, you need to pay money. You need to pay the banks to keep your money. That's crazy. So if Tesla has a lot of cash, it doesn't make sense for them to keep cash. That's why they hold Bitcoin. Not only Tesla, I believe a lot more companies are going to hold Bitcoin as well. So that's very, very good news. Very good news. That's why I'm thinking about buying all these, trading all these stocks. What are those stocks? The first stock that I'm thinking about trading is AR. BKF. This is one of the stocks in my stock membership club. All the stocks that I mentioned, I already talk about it in my stock membership club. The link is down in the description and comment down below. This is a blockchain Bitcoin mining company. It used to hit $4.63. $4.63. It's coming back down. But this is kind of like low float. It's going up steadily, but in 1 or 2 days, it can go back down again. This doesn't trade after market or pre-market. This is based in UK, London. If you trade this stock, not every stockbroker has it. I'm gonna put the link down below, the E-Trade. If you use that link, you could get a promotion bonus by depositing money, and commercial is really very, very reasonable for this stock. And another stock is Mara stock. This I can do this for swing trading because this stock has a tendency to go higher over a few weeks or a few months. Look at this 52.45. You see it's jump back again, it go down a little bit, it jump again, it go down a little bit, it jump again. Look at that, it's more than a few months. So this stock I can do swing trading. The same with Wire Block Exchange. I sent out a alert this morning on my stock club members about Wire Block Exchange. It jumped, and 1 year the same. It jumped like crazy until $62, and it came back down $24. Now it jumped back again. So this can happen. So it's really because Elon Musk didn't want to see Bitcoin price going down below 30,000. I believe that's why he said that. So if it went down more than 30, if it hit 25,000, even 20,000, this stock could go down below $20. MicroStrategy, this stock I can think about holding for long term, because it also has business intelligence, mobile software, and cloud-based services business. It's not only Bitcoin, but they have a lot on their balance sheet, the Bitcoin. So whenever the Bitcoin jump, this stock jump. It used to hit 1,200, so that's really good. And another stock that I'm thinking about holding is Coinbase. It's not only gonna be only crypto brokerage companies. They're gonna have many more business segments in their business. So short term, this stock gonna be really tied to Bitcoin prices, cryptocurrency prices. But over the long term, I believe this company is gonna be really a beast. And it used to hit 429 after IPO, but unfortunately it dropped to 208. So I might be adding more in August, depending on how the Bitcoin price is gonna be. Would the Bitcoin price gonna break out 40,000, or would it go down to 20,000 or 30,000? So NCTY bonus stock for you. So one of the stocks that I used to trade as well, it jumped 54%. So keep your eyes on this stock. This stock is very volatile. I usually do day trading because the next day it usually goes down. It just jumps just one day. Even the same way, I do day trading. This is one of my stock alert as well. So Yeah, very, very volatile. It used to be $10 stock. Just look at that. Don't even think about holding this stock. If you bought it here, $10, and you just lost almost one fifth of the value. It's crazy. It's just 5 times. Look at that. It's crazy. And BDPT also very, very volatile. So I like to trade. This can be swing trade. This and probably can do swing trade. It usually jump a few days, so after that it came back down. So that's how it is. So look at that. It used to be $26. So never hold speculative stocks. That's one thing you want to know. So if you want to get free stock, you can click the link down in the description or comment in the YouTube video. Or if you want to get free cryptocurrency, you can do that as well. The link is gonna be down below as well. If you want to join stock club memberships, the link is down in the description comment. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.